Hey everyone! Today I want to share with you some common ways to say, I don't know in various levels of formality. Keep in mind, these are just a few examples, and there are many more out there. First up, we have the formal version, I am uncertain. For example, you might say, I am uncertain about the exact date of the meeting. Next, in a more informal setting, you could say, I'm not sure. Like, I'm not sure what time the movie starts. Now, in a colloquial manner, you might say, I haven't a clue. For instance, I haven't a clue where I put my keys. Lastly, if you want to use slang, you can simply say, beats me. An example would be, beats me why they changed the menu. Remember, these are just a few common ways to express that you don't know something, but there are plenty of other expressions out there. Subscribe and join our family to have fun exploring them.